Buying a property is easy, tracking expenses isn't. Land tax, insurance, capital improvements, new equipment, it all adds up. Manually recording directly paid expenses in Excel and saving invoice copies separately. Time-consuming, error-prone, and easy to miss. The property accountant makes it simple. Let's see how to add expenses effortlessly. Step by step, adding expenses directly paid by you. Step 1. Tap Add Expense. Step 2. Scan or upload the invoice. Step 3. Select expense or cost category. Step 4. Enter amount. And you are done. Our platform instantly classifies expenses into capital costs. Add it to your cost base for tax deductions when you sell. Expenses. Deductible in the current financial year. No spreadsheets, no manual calculations, just smart tracking. See all your expenses in one place and stay in control of your finances. Generate reports in one click. Income and expenses report, cost-based report, loan summary report, property analytics. With drill-down reporting, you can track every expense with its attached invoice in just a few clicks. That's it. Managing expenses has never been easier. Start using the property accountant today.